Yeah, the warning signs that a dust collector is underperforming are, number one, it's constantly getting plugged up or filled up with dust. The filters are getting blinded and plugged and overwhelmed. The differential pressure on the filters is higher than it should be. The fundamental, sign of how your dust collector is doing is the differential pressure gauge, right? So if that's pegged at 7 inches, then you have a problem. That's kind of the first warning sign. Other warning signs are, you're having to change the filters too often. Maybe you have to replace them every 3 weeks. You go to plants and that's happening. That's typically not how the system is designed, so something's wrong if that's the case. Other signs that your operators will see is that you don't have good suction at the pickup points. The vent hoods aren't collecting dust. There's dust billowing out of the process instead of flowing nicely up into your canopy hoods. Things like that. Plugging of the ductwork and just general dustiness. It's there to remove nuisance dust from your process. So if there's dust escaping, you've got a problem either in the design, the sizing of the dust collector, or the maintenance of the system over time.